Anytime I'm wearing a glueless wig, I'm gonna do my glueless check, okay? Comb through it. Comb through it. Y'all see that? Glueless. Pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, already straightened. I went back over it just a little bit, but this hair is beautiful. Shout out to you, Asteria hair. So we're here. I'm actually getting ready for an interview. So I love something very quick and convenient that I can throw on in less than 5 minutes. We need to just go ahead and get into this. So I do have my hair braided underneath here. I like to wear a little, you know, little scarf to keep them laid down. These are fresh braids. I don't want them sliding and gliding places. Okay, like so. Push it back just a little bit. And that's where I'm going to place my wig cap. The lace does come pre-cut and the knots are bleached, as you guys can see. It does have combs on each ear tab and it has an adjustable strap. And to be honest, I may not have to put any makeup on it. That's how it's looking on my hand. Of course, we're going to tint it just to make sure it's a flawless finish. Going in with my even lace tint. I'm going to take the wig right here. I'm only putting my tint right here, because it doesn't really take all that other stuff, right? That's the lace tinted. It is fast drying, so I shouldn't have to wait. Just gonna put it on our head. And that's it. That's it. I'm just kidding, y'all. They done hot combed it. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Oh, this is a small cap, but I do still have some room in the back, and I really like that. Wow. Let's make sure it's in the middle. This is pretty. The one hack for here that I like to do is I'm gonna take the hot comb and just hot comb that hair down like that, because this wig does not need baby hair at all. It is so pretty, y'all. It is so pretty. Oh my God. Y'all, this wig done came hot combed. I didn't do that. So to help with some of the flyaways, I am gonna go in with a little bit of mousse. We're gonna put that right on the hair. Like such. And a little trick, take some of this hair right here, like such. Grab your hot comb, don't burn yourself, but we're gonna hot comb that hair down, and you will hide that line of demarcation right there. Do the same thing on the other side. I did the other side a little bit. And that is it. Y'all, this hair is so pretty. It is silky. It's literally giving silk press. It's so pretty. That's how the lace is looking. Anytime I'm wearing a glueless wig, I'm gonna do my glueless check, okay? Comb through it. Comb through it. Y'all see that? Glueless. So I think I'm ready for my interview. And Asteria, y'all made it so much more easier not having to worry about any of the things that I would normally worry about with the wig. Cutting my lace, are the knots too big? I have to bleach them. Like, I didn't have to do nothing. Thank you. If you're a glueless wig lover, if you're a straight hair lover, if you're somebody who's looking for a convenient wig, you need to check this out. Like, I have no cons. I have no cons. This is a cap size small. I still have a little room in the back. Make sure you are picking the correct cap size for your head, and I think you're gonna be good to go. It's definitely snug on my head, and it's glueless. Like, it doesn't get no better than that. Like, y'all see that? I hope y'all not tired of the comb trick, because we can pull it up. I can take it off. Play with her in my hand. And put her right back on. Like it's nothing. Back on my head. And we're back in action. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and comment down below what did you guys think. Chop it up with me so I can know, you know, what you like, what you don't like, because I love to talk to you all and learn and grow. Don't forget, all the information on this hair will be down below in my description box. Thank you so much to Asteria Hair for this great steal. Like, this is an amazing wig. I have no complaints. Shout out to y'all. I'm at the point in the video where I'm about to go. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beauties.